Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your phone number on your Shopify's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To add a phone number on your Shopify's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Shopify application. The home page of Shopify application will appear on the screen. Click on your store name at the top left corner of the page. From the displayed option, click on your email address. Now tap on Manage Account option. On the next page, scroll down and tap on Add option right next to Phone Number option. Choose your country code and enter your phone number. Once you're done, tap on Add. This is how you can add phone number on Shopify's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.